Hi everyone, I'm Kaylee and welcome to our tutorial series brought to you by the Military Veteran Team with LPT Realty. In this video, Larry Fischer will explain the forms needed to write an offer. Let's get started.
All right, we are being recorded. So team, this is view from transaction desk. We're also going to show you how to use .loop. But from transaction desk, what I'm going to do is I'm going to look up for a buyer broker agreement. And then I'm going to download the exclusive buyer broker agreement single agent. And then I'm also going to download the compensation seller's broker to buyer's broker. These are my two documents that I need. When I meet the client, they sign the buyer broker agreement single agent. When I start writing offers, I'm gonna have to submit this seller's broker to buyer's broker with all my offers. Now, if it's a for sale by owner, you then submit a seller to buyer's broker, which we're the buyer's broker, and the seller is a FSBO document. We're gonna just go through this first. So then I go to the single agent. We're going to fill this out. The client's name, the consumer, goes right here. The broker would be LPT. The term, you could put a 3-month, you can put 1 year, whatever you want. Today, we're going to go show the property, and this is going to expire in 3 months. I can leave the property blank. Now, an important thing to, I don't want to jump ahead. If you do a retainer, the retainer would have to be money sent to the broker. You could also do a retainer saying, hey, I'll give you $500 towards your closing costs when we close. That's not a retainer, but that could be something that you could, negotiate as part of your value prop. Compensation to the broker, you'd put option A, purchase price, percentage of that. Broker's fee being earned is for a lease. And then broker is going to be paid X of the option amount to be paid when consumer enters into option agreement. So I would just put 3% plus the $195 fee. So yeah, 3% plus the $195 fee. Early termination, you can do $500 because all your time and gas, everything else. Protection period, 30 days. I would put 30 days just to leave it. Don't leave it blank. And then single agent, LPT. And then other terms, just leave that blank. Consumer's name, real estate associate, that's it. This is your buyer broker agreement. Okay, so if you were to go to your LPT Connect, click on .loop, go to .loop, it'll take you to .loop. If you want to find a template, go to templates, go to military vet team, and you have all your documents here. Exclusive buyer brokerage agreement, single agent, compensation agreement, seller to buyer's broker, exclusive broker agent, transition to transaction, and compensation agreement, seller's broker to buyer's broker. So your documents right there.
Thank you for joining us in this tutorial. We hope our insights have been helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Let's continue to work together for success in real estate.